Good morning to you, and how do you do? Oh, we are so happy to welcome you and welcome to your, today's class. Today is digital LKG class and today is Tuesday. Today is Tuesday and today's date is 26 October. 26 October and next month Diwali is coming on 4th of November, okay? So today's date is 26 October, okay? Now, first of all, let us see what we are going to do today. But before that, let us revise. हमने आज तक कितने alphabets कर लिए? How many letters do we have done? How many letters do we have done till now? Yes. Now, what I am going to say, you have to repeat it after me. Recite करना है मैम के साथ, okay? Let's start with all the letters with the phonetic sound. Okay, let's start. Are you ready? Yes. A says A, B says B, C says K, D says D, E says Eh, F says F, G says G, H says H, I says E, J says J, K says K, L says L, M says M, N says N, O says O, P says P, Q says Q, R says R, S says S. S that we have done. We have done till S. Okay, all of you know that we have done till S. Very good. Now, after S comes the letter T. Which letter comes after S? T. Here is the letter T. This is your letter T. And it is very easy to make and its phonetic sound is T. हिंदी में हमने पढ़ा था ना ट टमाटर, वही इसका साउंड है. T says T, T says T, T says T, T T tub, T T tortoise, T T tiger, T T toffee. So many new words we are going to learn in this story. Okay, so before writing, what we are going to do? We are going to listen to the T sound story from our Fun with English book. Okay, the sound of T is T. Sound of T is T. Very good. Now, before moving to the story, what we are going to do first of all, we are going to see the pictures that I am going to show you. After seeing the picture, you are going to listen. Yes, what the ma'am is saying, which word ma'am is reciting or narrating. Then after that, speak through your mouth. You have to speak the words that I am saying to you. Okay, see, listen, then repeat. Okay, see, listen, then repeat. Okay, so this letter is T and its sound is T. So let's start with the pictures and then we will move on to the story from our book Fun with English book. So are you ready? Yes. So this is our letter T. All of you, this is our letter T as I have told you earlier, and its phonetic sound is T. Its phonetic sound is T, just like the tomato की तरह, ठीक है? T. Now before starting the story, let us know the main characters of the story. जो main hero है story के वो कौन है? They are Tony, Tony, T2 and their sister Tina. They all are brothers and sisters. Tony, T2 are brothers and they have a sister called Tina. Okay, now let's start the story. This is Tony. This is Tony. 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 And this is toy train. Toy, train. Toy train. Toy and train. Toy train. And it is a tortoise. Tortoise. This is a tortoise. Tortoise. He is Tony's brother. T2 is Tony's brother. Okay. He is T2. T2. And what are these? We need them. We use them every day, twice a day. And with this, your teeth are very beautiful and very white and clean. What are these? Toothbrush, toothbrush, toothpaste to keep our teeth clean and germ free. Okay, this is toothbrush and toothpaste. Toothbrush and toothpaste, they both go together. They both always go together. बिना टूथपेस्ट से आप ब्रश का क्या करोगे और बिना ब्रश के आप टूथपेस्ट का क्या करोगे? So they both go together and they keep your teeth clean. Okay, this is telephone. 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 आपने देखे हैं ऐसे टेलीफोन with the receiver and a dialer? नहीं देखे? Mama papa से पूछना. Okay, when I was small, then we used to have such kind of telephone at our home. We used to pick up this receiver and dial the number from here. Okay, this is a telephone. 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 और टेलीफोन की आवाज़ कैसी आती है? ट्रिंग ट्रिंग. ट्रिंग ट्रिंग. ट्रिंग ट्रिंग. Okay, now this is the sister of Titu and Tony. Titu और Tony की sister कौन थी? Tina. Tina. This is Tina. Tina. And we know who is he? And we know what is this? What is this? This is a tiger. What is this? This is a tiger. And it is the national animal of our country. India का national animal कौन है? Tiger. Tiger. And this is a tree. 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 This is a torch. We all know what is this? Torch. 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 This is a torch. Very good. And what are these? We all love to eat them, but eating them a lot will decay your tooth. आपके teeth खराब हो जाएंगे. But what are these? These are toffees. Toffees. One should not eat more of them. Okay, ज़्यादा नहीं खाने चाहिए. Our teeth will decay. Okay, so this is toffees. So these are toffees. Toffees. These are toffees. Okay, so these were the words that we are going to see in the T sound story. Tony, toy train, tortoise, Titu, toothbrush and toothpaste to keep our teeth clean. Telephone, और टेलीफोन कैसी आवाज़ निकालता है? ट्रिंग ट्रिंग. Tina, tiger, tree, torch, and toffees. Toffees. Now after all this, we are going to move on to the story. That is T sound story. The sound of T is T. Okay, let's move on to that. So students, this is your T sound story from your Fun with English book. This is your T and the sound of T is T. Sound of T is T. Okay, now let's once again revise all the words, all the characters in this story. Toothpaste, toothbrush, Titu, telephone, Tony, and it's Tony's toy tree, tortoise, Tina. Look, Tina is running. Tina, tree. This is a tree. Tiger. This is a tiger, and tiger is the national animal of our country. Tiger. Torch. Toffees. Toffees. Okay, so these were the words. Now let's start with the story. Okay, it was morning time. Tony was playing with his toy train. Tony's pet tortoise was going out. Tony's pet tortoise was going out. Okay, it was morning time. वो सुबह का टाइम था. Okay, टोनी वॉज प्लेइंग विद हिज टॉय ट्रेन. टोनी अपनी टॉय ट्रेन के साथ खेल रहा था. और टोनी का जो पेट था, टोनीज पेट दैट इज़ अ टॉर्टोइज, वॉज गोइंग आउट. वो बाहर की तरफ जा रहा था. ही वॉज गोइंग आउट. ओके, वो बाहर की तरफ जा रहा था. His brother, टोनी का ब्रदर, टोनीज ब्रदर, his brother Titu was putting toothpaste on the toothbrush. Okay, Titu was putting toothpaste on his toothbrush. Titu was putting toothpaste on his toothbrush. Suddenly the telephone bell rang. Tring, 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 tring. Okay, suddenly the telephone bell rang. Tony's brother Titu, टोनी के जो ब्रदर थे टीटू, क्या कर रहे थे? वो अपने टूथब्रश पर टूथपेस्ट लगा रहे थे. और अचानक ही क्या हुआ? टेलीफोन की बेल बजी. ट्रिंग 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 ट्रिंग. और अचानक ही टेलीफोन की बेल बजी. ट्रिंग 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 ट्रिंग. और फिर क्या हुआ? टीटू टर्न टू पिक अप द टेलीफोन. टीटू turned to pick up the telephone and he saw his sister Tina running towards the house. Titu turned to pick up the telephone and he saw his sister Tina running towards the house. जैसे ही टीटू टेलीफोन उठाने के लिए मुड़े, जैसे ही टीटू क्या करने के लिए मुड़े? टेलीफोन उठाने के लिए. तो टीटू ने क्या देखा? उनकी जो सिस्टर थी टीना, उनकी जो सिस्टर थी टीना, शी वॉज रनिंग टूवर्ड्स द हाउस. वो जल्दी जल्दी से दौड़ दौड़ कर कहाँ आ रही थी? घर की तरफ आ रही थी. घर की तरफ आ रही थी. ओके, व्हाट हैपेंड? क्या हुआ कि उन्हें ऐसे ज़ोर ज़ोर से दौड़ना पड़ा? व्हाट हैपेंड दैट टीना वॉज रनिंग सो क्विकली क्विकली एंड फास्टली फास्टली? यस, व्हाट हैपेंड? A big tiger. A big tiger had come from behind a tree and running after her. Okay, a big tiger had come from behind a tree and was running after Tina. What happened? एक बड़ा सा टाइगर, a big tiger had come from behind a tree. ट्री के पीछे से निकला और टीना के पीछे ज़ोर ज़ोर से भागने लगा. एंड द टाइगर स्टार्टेड रनिंग बिहाइंड टीना. एंड द टाइगर स्टार्टेड रनिंग आफ्टर टीना. द टाइगर स्टार्टेड रनिंग आफ्टर टीना. ओके, नाउ व्हाट हैपेंड? अब टीना क्या करे? शी वॉज रनिंग बट व्हाट शी डिड? टीना थ्रू her torch and toffees on the tiger. Now what did Tina did? Tina threw the torch and toffees at the tiger. टीना ने क्या किया? भागते भागते अपनी टॉर्च और अपनी जो टॉफीज थी वो टाइगर पे फेंक दी ताकि टाइगर डर जाए. ओके, so this was the story of Tony, Titu, Tina and this big tiger. Okay, now what is your duty? What is your homework? That you have to read this story with the pointer finger, like Tina, Tony, toy train, tiger, Titu, like that. Okay, and in the next video we will learn how to write T with a very fun activity. Okay, bye bye, take care all of you.